Properly categorizing transactions is key for generating useful statements. Let's examine the process of categorizing a transaction on an expense form. Anytime you record a financial transaction into QuickBooks, you have to tell QuickBooks why you're receiving money or why you're spending money. And that's where categorization comes in. Whenever we look at an expense transaction, we're able to assign where the money is coming from at the top of the form. And then down here in the category details, we tell QuickBooks why it is that we're spending the money. Most of these selections are going to be straightforward, but there are some important things to point out. Anytime you want to see something singled out on a profit and loss statement, make sure that it has its own expense account. But it's also important to note that sometimes you spend money on things other than expenses. Sometimes you make larger purchases and actually buy assets. There's a big difference between assets and expenses, which is that assets are things that you buy and you get to keep to use over and over again.